Hi, Kathy with Atlanta Area Property Management. Well, there are many hidden costs when self-managing your rental property that most owners don't think about until it hits their wallet. And I'm not talking about the obvious things like repairs or vacancies. I mean the small, unexpected expenses and risks that quietly build up behind the scenes and end up costing far more than people realize. Well, let's start with time. Owners think managing a rental takes a few hours here and there, but in reality, it's the follow-up, the second and third phone calls, the after-hour emergencies, the coordination with vendors, and the big one, dealing with a tenant conflict or rule violations. Well, when you add it up, many owners are spending 5, 10, sometimes 15 hours a month on the small things. Then there's the legal exposure. Most owners don't realize how easy it is to accidentally violate fair housing laws or mishandle a security deposit or send the wrong notice, even when the mistake is unintentional. For example, in Georgia, landlords are required to provide a written move-out reconciliation of the security deposit within 3 days after move-out. You miss that deadline and a tenant can take you to court where you could end up owing about 3 times the security deposit or more. Courts don't give much grace for, "I didn't know." With an eviction, even one incorrect notice can delay an eviction by weeks or months, and those delays mean lost rent, additional court costs, and a situation that becomes far more expensive than most owners ever expect. Another hidden cost is vendor pricing. When you're managing just 1 or 2 properties, you're almost always paying full retail. Plumbers, HVAC techs, electricians, they'll fit you in, but you're paying top dollar, travel fees, and often waiting longer than you'd like. Property managers, on the other hand, get volume pricing, priority scheduling, which means repairs get handled faster and usually at a lower cost. And here's the kicker. The number one reason tenants move is slow or poor repair service. Faster repairs don't just save money, they keep good tenants from leaving. Let's not forget tenant screening. Most owners aren't sure how to run a basic background or credit check, so many self-managing owners will simply talk to a tenant and will make a decision on whether they like them or not. But what you don't see, like prior rental behavior, such as evictions or maybe owing money to the previous landlord, maybe pet history, income inconsistencies or gaps in previous addresses, or even fraudulent documents, is what comes back to haunt you. A bad tenant costs far more than a management fee. How about turnover? Improper move-out handling, unclear expectations, or slow repair timelines can extend vacancy by weeks. And it's not just the empty days that cost you. It's the cleaning delays, missed maintenance items, and relisting inefficiencies that push your marketing window into the slower weeks of the year. Every vacant week is lost rent, and once you factor in utilities, lawn care, turnover costs, and the time the home sits on the market, that loss adds up quickly. A smooth, well-coordinated turnover is one of the biggest money savers a landlord can have. And finally, the eviction. The stress of an eviction is something most owners don't fully understand until they're in the middle of it. Many owners are simply too nice. They want to give the tenants the benefit of the doubt, offer more time, or hope things will turn around. By the time they finally decide to move forward with an eviction, the tenant often owes months and months of rent. The notices, the deadlines, the legal language, and the uncertainty about what the tenant will do next can be overwhelming. And the idea of standing in front of a judge presenting documents and hoping everything was done correctly is frightening. This is usually the moment when owners decide to bring in a property manager because they realize how much pressure and liability they've been carrying on their own. While a good management team handles the entire process from notices to court filings and standing in front of the judge, so owners don't have to face that stress alone. So when you think about the cost of self-managing, it's not just saving a management fee. It's the hidden expenses, time, stress, legal risk, retail pricing, slower repairs, and extended vacancies. Well, that's why having a professional team in place can actually save owners money, protect you legally, and give you back your time. Look, if you ever want help reviewing your setup, or you simply want to see where we can reduce your risk, feel free to reach out.